The special advisor to Mr. Governor of Tourism, Honorable Babajide Sanwo-Olu.
Thank you very much. This is a wonderful program that is about to be discussed. This program, the lead missioner, the female talking drum expert, are with a wonderful state aid. She's rehabilitating under Eko Inspire Me project, supported by Lagos State Government. Mr. Governor, it's my pleasure to invite our dear missioner of this program, Ara herself, to come and give a brief on this project.
Very thank you. Today is like my wedding day, sir. Today is like my wedding day. This journey, one house. This journey started 10 years ago, sir. I wish my mother was alive today. I lost her in December last year. 10 years ago, when that incident happened in Lojo, she was scared. She said, I want my mama fire. But she did not know, little did she know that that incident would turn around to change lives today. Please clap for my mother. I said today is like my wedding day, Your Excellency, because this project was born 10 years ago. And my experience with these guys in Oshodi that day inspired this vision. They said to me, I want to be like ABCD. But one of them said, I want to be like Wole Soyinka. And I said, how? Baba Iman Jabo, not from our story book. Open Professor School. I said, yes. I said, don't worry. I want to push it. 10 years down the line, this journey was ordained by God. In 2019, sir, but at some point I got frustrated and I refused to do the project. But God took me on a journey that I didn't know He would take me, sir. I lost everything. I was homeless in 2019, sir. Yes. My landlord threw me out of the house. I had 4 cars, Hummer Jeep, Hilux, Nissan, and a Toyota. I sold everything. I couldn't pay my school fees because I refused to do this project. I moved into a hotel that I could pay for 5 days. Then the owner said, don't worry, stay till you find your burial. I stayed there for about a year with my son. My load was in Opa. I was there. But even despite that, I realized that what I was doing was God wanted to use me. It's not everybody that is sent by God to hold a church or a mosque or something. God sends us in different and diverse ways. But we were still on this project. At some point I got frustrated again because everything stopped working. Anybody I could talk to didn't talk to me. So I said, okay. But at last, I sold my last car and I moved in. My mom said to me, let me do something for you. When you had, you took care of everybody. I said, Mommy, I'm used to keeping, I'm not keeping.
I saw that those who want to learn one thing or the other, they have the opportunity to learn the thing. So in 5 years' time, you will see that the seed that is being planted today will really grow into an Iroko tree. So I do not have any doubt in my mind that this is the way to go, this is the right thing to do, I just need to congratulate Ara.
Sometimes when these children go,
no pè ní situation tí ọba ń ṣe nǹkan torí ọba wọn pé mọ̀sùrù ìwọ ló dì báyìí olúwa ò ṣe o olúwa ò ṣe o. pé kọ́ ni pé Káyọ̀dé wọ́n ti ròyìn ọ̀pá tọ́lọ̀ wá gbé yọ̀ dìde tó bọ́ ṣe rò ó lọ ojú tí mo dẹ̀ rí yìí. ọjọ́ ìkọ̀wájú ẹ̀yin ní ọ̀dọ́ táwa jẹ ká gbé ẹ̀yin ní ẹni tí ó máa dúró bí lọ́jọ́ iwájú. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ máa ń fi àsìkò àti ìgbà sílẹ̀ kí nǹkan yí padà sí rere. Ní ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ ti wáyé tí ara ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ lórí yìí agbára Ọlọ́run àwọn ènìyàn síbẹ̀ agbára Ọlọ́run gbogbo tó máa ń bá wa sọ sí dáadáa tó yẹ ká ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ a máa wá bá ṣe máa ṣe. And that by the grace of God, the name that you call you king and queen, you will become kings and queens. There are different ways in which you can become a king and a queen. In your local community, God can enable you to become a source of inspiration and by so doing you become a king. Táwọn èèyàn náà máa ṣe àpòpé ìwọ ò rí pé bí Sunday ṣe rí ìwọ ò lè Sunday ò lè fi ṣe ìwọ ò lè fi kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni ti Monica ò lè fi kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni àbí ti Bisi. Can't you see? That is what I want you to take away here. Kò dẹ̀ sí ẹ tó náà máa ń gbàgbọ́. Ẹ máa ń rora yín kò rárá. Kò sí ẹ tó náà máa ń gbàgbọ́. Kò dẹ̀ sí ẹ tó náà wọ̀n lè gbéga. Kò dẹ̀ sí ẹ tó náà wọ̀n lè lò. Kò sí tẹ́mi bá lè wà. Tẹ́mi bá wà. Hope is assured. Hope that hope is assured. So I want you to tag along with her, obey the rules and the regulations, work with her to ensure that all of the programs that you have for you try as much as possible to comply. Whatever we want to do for you in terms of support, once you're able to place it in our front, God will give us the ability to do it. And we want to use you as an example that there are lots of others there outside that we need to use.
like I said, today is like my wedding day. I'm so happy today. A project of this magnitude cannot run without this type of support. You need to see the lives these people live. If you're a mother or a father, you hear their stories. There's no way you won't shed tears, except your heart is made of stone. For me to be the instrument that God is using to bring changes, that hope to their lives, oh my God, it's a privilege. I can't thank Babajide Sanwo-Olu enough. I can't. And like I said earlier on, I may have sounded political, but it's the honest truth. When God starts something, He finishes it. God has used him to start this project. By the special grace of God, he has to come back as the governor of the state to finish this project. Because we can't go halfway. The lives that has been inspired cannot be, that dream cannot be truncated. These guys have hope today. By this time tomorrow, I won't be in Lagos. That 14-year-old boy has been given a scholarship. He's going to school. And many more. You hear what he said? Those who have learned one trade or the other, 100 of them, we are going to empower them. That broke me. Because right there and then, in my head, I could count those ones that I had to empower for some time now. And all of this is not big money. This is money that we used to, some people don't even know what to do. They even lock it up somewhere. But these lives will be touched. Our society will be a lot better. We have many out-of-school children. That boy is 14 years old, for example. He dropped out of school at GS1 because there was no money to go to school, no sponsor. He had to go and start learning something. But he's going back to school now. Many more like that. And many more on the street who need help. That is why I'm serving as a bridge between them and governments, between them and organizations, between them and individuals who want to reach out to them but don't know how. I tell you, it takes somebody with a heart of passion, and it takes the help and backing of God to be able to do this. I had to go put my son in the boarding house. I told him, you are my biological child, but I have many children. I have to take care of this people. You need to give me time. Let me go and do God's work. I don't want God to deal with me again, because He dealt with me when I refused to do this. And I thank you.
You said that this project, this dream started 10 years ago.
Yes.
And here you are today. So far, what is the number that you have here? And you hope to replicate this in other states or just in Lagos?
I was born in Lagos. And charity begins at home. But in this situation, we started in Lagos because he was the one that listened. And just like my father, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo said, he said we should reach out to other states. If they want to work with us, why not? We are ready. Baba even said, look into other African countries. I said, Baba, let me finish with Nigeria. You know, I want to seize this opportunity to say a big thank you to Chief Olusegun Obasanjo for his words of encouragement. And to thank our governor, the executive governor of Lagos State, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, for making this dream come true. I can't thank him enough.
What's the number, the total you have?
Well, right here we have about 120. This is just from 2 locations. Just 2 locations. It's a lot. Tens of thousands. So we're calling on well-meaning Nigerians, organizations, institutions, corporate bodies to work with us. You will see the results. Our society will be a lot safer. Our society will be a lot safer, investor friendly, tourist friendly. We cannot save everyone. We cannot sweep it perfectly, but we'll tell you there will be a visible reduction in the crime rate as perpetrated by these guys. I was in Abeokuta to talk to them because some of them are in prison. I've been mentoring. They went to fight somewhere and they packed them. But it's a billable offense. So I was told to go and appeal to the complainant, which I have done. I said if I have to kneel down to beg that complainant so he can release his destinies to me, I will do it. And when I got there, they said, Madam, you know you don't need to kneel down. I said, release them to me. If they mess up again, I want them over to you myself. They just need love, care. They don't have a mother that talks to them. I'm now their mom. And when I talk to them, even with my eyes, they listen. I remember when I spoke to them in the prisons, they broke down. The head, or the person that talked to me said, for you to evoke this emotion in these guys, it means you have really touched their life. So I thank God, I thank Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, and I thank Chief Olusegun Obasanjo.
Thank you so much. You took the last question from my mouth. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Inspire me, I've beat me. Then I have a talent, I'm an artist. I can sing Fuji. That's what I really appreciate them.
What changes do you really say has come to your life?
I can see my life totally changed now. Because I've seen for Lagos State government and it's really pressure with me.
So before that you were under the bridge.
Yeah.
Where were you living?
I'm staying at K2 Garage.
Your name?
Salaudin.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Ẹ bá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bàbá wa Sanwo-Olu fún nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe fún wa lẹ́nu. Àwa dẹ̀ la tún wà ń bẹ̀, Ọlọ́run máa bùkún wọn. 2023 àwa la wà ń bẹ̀, 4+4. Òní jábọ̀ bàbá wa, inú wa dùn gan. We appreciate you. We appreciate Sanwo-Olu. God will bless you. More money, more respect you. More bless you.
God bless you, Baba. Àwa kọ́ ètì sí wọn lórí.
Àìlọ́ owó pọ̀, bàbá kọ́ ètì o. More bless you.
Thank our excellency for today, all the way to us today. We appreciate. We before is President from K2. President boys, and we dey here today. President boys, my name is Olabarito Olagwan. I'm very happy today to witness my excellency because since 8 years in this Lagos, I never see any governor. I just see Sanwo-Olu today. The thing Sanwo-Olu want to do for me, make it do. I'm never happy very much. For past 8 years, I never see the thing I go to chop. Now all that they sell for K2 Garage, oil, now here they sell, make they help me. Now all that they sell.
Help me. After God na Sanwo-Olu, me I be ghetto boy. I dey go boy. Na furniture work I dey do. I no see people wey go help me. But once I don see Are and Sanwo-Olu, forget anything. Go don inspire me.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. Subscription is free. You can call us on 0080 597807 for your event coverage. Thanks.